Hey, this is Arlene. It is March the 1st, 2020. And I'm doing this video because somebody came into my apartment. Could have been when I was doing the laundry, but they went and they actually filed down the rivets so that when this screws on, it'll slide right through. And that's what they did. See how it's pushed out? So I don't know if they did it with a drill or what, but this happened at 5640 Santa Monica Boulevard in Los Angeles, California. And we're right next to Gold Diggers Entertainment. So this is an apartment tenant or somebody that has maintenance skills. But they did it because it worked last night. So that's what happened.